Hello, everyone. Can you guys hear me? Please let me know in the comment section right now because I guess I just doubled set the schedule. Please, guys, please let me know in the comments right now if you guys are hearing this and if we are in the correct live right now. Yeah. All right. So, good evening, Cloud. We also have just a sec. Mm-hmm. We also have Benji. Hi, hi, hi. Hello, welcome. All right. So, anyways, how's everyone doing? Yeah, very important update today for our Bitcoin. So, our last session, right? I told you guys that there is a chance of Bitcoin going down, and we have set those levels, right? 92 to 90K. And then, if it goes lower than that, 89 to 87K. However, I note you that this is the last trend line to break. Yeah. And this trend line haven't got broken since around this area. None. We were holding it, and right here we got the breakout. So what does this one mean, miss, right? Are we gonna see 100K? We're almost there. And remember, I told you that we need to overtake the level. Can you see this area? Anything below okay. Anything below this, right, is bearish. Anything above that is bullish. And one thing is on the higher time frame, this area right here. We have 11 hours right now for the daily candle to close. We are in the daily candle. Let me take this out. Once this one gets broken, I'm telling you, nothing is stopping Bitcoin to go to 107 and even higher. I'm telling you now. Okay, so miss, what is this? Is this a 3 or 3 and 4? Okay, for those who are wondering, for our elite wave count, right? You guys have been watching me do it for quite some time now. So what is this, right? This one falls if this is the count that we're seeing right now. This one could be like 1 2 3 4 5 only, and let me change that right here, and we might expect a bigger third right here, guys. It might be a bigger third for us. Okay, so it might be a bigger third, and then like fifth, I have all the way up in here, mga levels natin, okay, right around this area. But it will look something like this. So 3 4 or oh yeah, 1 2 3, yeah, 1 2 3 4 and 5. But all I know is this, I'm telling you now, the moment we close at the lower time frame, and I told you that, right, on the last live also, lower time frame, 1 hour needs to close the last trend line to break in order for us to go down. And then what about now? We have a push to the upside of the higher 1 hour. And then 4 hour, we got a very nice candle closing. So now, if you guys are interested with the getting into BTC, we recovered the momentum really nicely in here. And on the daily, if you see, okay, daily MACD, let's go back on that. You remember this? Yeah? You remember this mark? I told you that if Bitcoin closes to the downside right here, okay, but we did not. We actually recovered that. So right here, we just have to observe. It is coming, everyone. Yeah. We have the one, two, and possible third coming up right now. So the possible third right here, this might form our 3, 4, 5. And right now, no divergence yet, no weakness of the momentum, unlike that we have seen right here, right? So now let's take this out and let's open the forum. By the way, guys, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section right now. Okay. And before anything else, I would like to inform you guys that there's an okay, we have a mission double up coming soon, and stay tuned. Possibly next week. I'm still testing the waters with it. Okay, and this got me inspired with, if you guys have been with me for the past few years, you know that we have challenges that we double accounts, right? So I'm gonna be doing that again. I miss doing that. Yeah. So um stay tuned for this mission double up. I'm gonna do a poll, okay, on Instagram. How much shall we start with? All right, sounds good. Okay, doesn't matter. You guys have seen me double 100 to 200, 300 to 600, something like that. Yeah, we're gonna do that mission double up. Okay, coming soon. Okay, now right here. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, now we're expecting 3 and 4. So it's a very nice, I know, a very nice breakout on the 4 hours that we have right now. No divergence yet, no weakness yet. Very strong momentum, to be honest. Okay, even the 1 hour, not yet, everyone. Very strong for us. 15 minutes is gradually taking some time, to push up higher from here. So watch out for that, for those who are shorting right now, because the momentum is really to the upside. But I want you guys to take note in a while, okay, like roughly 55 minutes from now, Trump will be announcing something around 10 a.m. New York time. Okay, so just watch the market for that, how the market reacts. All right. So what else? Now, let's open up Ethereum. I told you to buy Ethereum regardless of what is happening with the market. We were going down and down, right? For the past few days, actually. Okay, last week also, starting from Saturday to Sunday this weekend. We were just going down and down and down. But despite of that, I have informed you that Ethereum it was at the silent point of buying up against Bitcoin. And um the daily right now, can you guys see this? Yeah, I've shown you this. This is the consolidation. And if the market closes above this green consolidation that we have right now, this is gonna shoot up Ethereum like anything. And if you guys can observe, Ethereum is already doing its thing. And I told you to buy Ethereum right around here. Okay? From here, I told you, if you're not sure, you can do DCA, right? If market really do, have some more correction. That correction is not that big. It was just 6% to the downside. And if you guys are not sure, I told you you can perform DCA. We were literally doing this area right here. DCA, right? So last live, I told you that. So, Ethereum, for those who got into Ethereum or bought Ethereum in spot, let me know in the comment section right now. If from starting today, sorry, yeah, from the opening of the days, we are up like 8%, everyone. That's big. 8%. And we have a long way to go. Okay? Long way to go. I've shown you this 300%. I'm talking spot. So if you are in the futures with this, and And if you just like riding, trades like that, you're gonna earn so much. I'm telling you. But yeah, then again, okay, do your own analysis, right? So target, minimum target for this. Okay, we're not gonna be targeting till this much only. We're not gonna be targeting till this much. Minimum target is 4,000. I'm saying that now. Okay? For those who bought in right here, let me note that. Where is my notes? Let me just put that up, no? So we have a okay. Buy Ethereum May. When was our last live? I guess it was last, yeah, last 5th. Remember? Yeah. May 5th, buy Ethereum, DCA, whatever you would like to do. But I have informed you even way before that. That Ethereum is in a really nice position. Okay? So for those who bought in May 5th, I'm telling you, hold on to that. So what else? Yeah, what else? Solana. We talked about Solana, right? Solana right here. Okay. So Solana, everyone, just had a breakout. Okay. Right here. And then we have a nice bounce, roughly, yeah, yesterday. We have a bounce of Solana. And miss, is this gonna be bearish for us? Is this gonna have a rejection? I don't think so. Altcoins right now are looking good. And we might see Solana 180. Okay? This is literally a very nice impulse, correction to the downside. And I'm telling you, Solana is going to hit 180. Okay? So let's note that as well, right? This area. Today is May 8th. Current May 8th price was 154. Okay? And if you'd like to, okay, target price for Solana is 180. Okay? Let's put up entry. Target price is 180. The pressure is to the upside right now. Very nice opening of this month, to be honest. That's why, I'm telling you guys. Especially that we have a nice bounce of the Bitcoin. That was the area that I was really looking for as a confirmation for us to have a push, to the, what do you call this? To the upside. Because again, there was a chance for us to have a more deeper correction to the downside, but looks like, Bitcoin's pressure is really high right now. And yeah, this month is looking good. At least this month and June. We'll see by the second week of June by then. Okay? Anyways, so again, guys, if you have any questions, you can message me in my Instagram. And yeah, that's a quick live for you, for everyone. I'll see you guys again next session. Bye and have a good day. Bye bye.